Let's solve some exponent problems. These are the problems where the exponent is negative. So the first one is this: find the value of 5 to the power of negative 2. So if you look at the number 5 to the power of negative 2, which rule will you use? A to the power of negative m equals 1 over a to the power of m. When the exponential number moves from the numerator to the denominator, the sign of the power changes. So 5 to the power of negative 2 equals 1 over 5 to the power of 2, and 5 squared equals 25, so it equals 1 over 25. Let's solve one more simple problem. Find the value of 1 over 2 to the power of negative 3. So if you look at 1 over 2 to the power of negative 3, you can use this rule: a to the power of m equals 1 over a to the power of negative m. Or you can read it the other way around. That means 1 over a to the power of negative m equals a to the power of m. So 1 over 2 to the power of negative 3 equals 2 to the power of 3, or 2 cubed. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So this equals 8. So the answer is 8. Let's look at the next problem. Find the value of 3 over 7 to the power of negative 2. So when you consider 3 over 7 to the power of negative 2, you can use this rule: a over b to the power of m equals a to the power of m over b to the power of m. That means we get 3 to the power of negative 2 over 7 to the power of negative 2. Now both the exponents in the numerator as well as in the denominator, both the exponents are negative. So let's use these two rules. That means if 3 to the power of negative 2 is moved from the numerator to the denominator, it would be 3 to the power of 2. Similarly, if 7 to the power of negative 2 is moved to the numerator, it will be 7 squared. So what we get is 7 squared over 3 squared. And we know 7 7s are 49 and 3 3s are 9. So we get 49 over 9. So the answer is 49 over 9. Let's look at the next example. Simplify 1 over 3 to the power of 5 multiplied by 1 over 3 to the power of negative 2. If you look at the problem carefully, you can see that the bases are the same and only the exponents are different. So we can use this rule that when the bases are the same and when we are multiplying two numbers, we simply add the exponents. So let's add 5 and negative 2. That means you get 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 equals 3. So the answer is 1 over 3 to the power of 3. You can easily calculate the cube of 1 over 3, but they haven't asked us to calculate the value. All we have to do is simplify. So this is the simplified version. The simplified version is 1 over 3 to the power of 3. The next problem is this: simplify negative 10 to the power of 3 over negative 10 to the power of negative 6. Now again, you can see that the bases are the same and you are dividing these two numbers. So in that case, what we do is we subtract the exponents. This is the rule which we are going to use. So let's subtract the exponent. What you get is negative 10 to the power of 3 minus negative 6. 3 minus negative 6 means 3 plus 6, and 3 plus 6 equals 9. So the answer is negative 10 to the power of 9. Again, if it is asked, we can calculate the value of this number, but we do not need to calculate the value. All we have to do is simplify. So the answer to this problem is negative 10 to the power of 9.